everybody. If you guys remember this happening.
Oh!
Where would that have gone?
I went out this morning for a ride and found that side cover. This one. 51 miles away from home. I decided to take my route back to toward Topeka the exact same way that I went before, and there it was, just sitting on the side of the road off next to the grass, not quite in it. Really easy to find it. So what we're gonna do today is I plan on scuffing those and painting them black with the only black paint that I have available, which is Rust-Oleum Rust Stopper matte black. And on top of all that, when I first got back, as soon as I got back, probably 2 blocks away from here, my license plate light and my turn signals just fell off. I don't understand why. So we're going to be taking care of all of that. I'm pretty sure that the license plate light was, the grommets are just old, wore out. So I'm going to back those with some washers and get on this. Hope you guys enjoy this video. Let's make this stuff happen. So that's what I'm using. Gosh, I hope that's black. First thing we gotta do, we're gonna get this cover off. We gotta scuff that up, maybe clean it up some. Place is a mess. See what we can do. I've already got the wiring mapped out. Just have to do the wiring. But before I do that, I want to put them there washers on. maybe feed those grommets through the way they're supposed to. Hey, what are you doing in here, Mr. Bee thing? Not really a hornet. Nothing I'm too worried about. Alright, so you guys remember, this black tape goes to the right blinker. Okay? It's crazy. You should, I feel like I should have bought a lottery ticket today. The amount of stuff that nope, it's not gonna fit through. That's good. Yeah, the amount of stuff that I lucked out with. You know, first being able to find that side panel on the side of the highway, that was crazy. This little oiler, this thing's been so handy. Kind of makes a bit of a mess if you're not careful. You ever seen them Chinese videos where they use a string and they feed their grommets through a string right through the hole? That would work. Except this grommet's about done. Probably why it fell off. That one's in. How about you? You gonna fall apart? Yeah, you are. Definitely. How'd they do that in the factory? Probably like that. Alright, before we get too crazy. Good old whatever gauge this is. Looks about the same. Alright. I ain't going nowhere. So, my ground. Dang it. You guys ever just feel like you do this stuff for no reason? You got nothing better to do. So with a little bit of trial and error, got that done. You guys watched me do it once. I didn't want you to have to watch me take it apart again, do it all over again. But I believe we got left. We got left. We got right. We got right. I also got these painted up, and that looks pretty good. Not bad for rattle can. Press that sucker on there. Boy, that looks pretty nice. Not bad, if I do say so myself. Yeah, that's it for the video. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe if you haven't already. It does help out. And I will catch you guys in the next one. I love you. Peace out.